Welcome back to Channel Auto Drive Hub is your go-to channel for the latest updates, reviews, and insights on the hottest automobiles in the industry. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 125 is a lightweight sport bike designed for riders who seek an entry-level machine with the essence of Kawasaki's performance and styling. This motorcycle brings an aggressive design, inspired by its larger Ninja siblings, with sharp fairings, an aerodynamic profile, and bold graphics that enhance its sporty appeal. Its compact size makes it a perfect choice for new riders, while still delivering the thrill of a true Ninja experience. At the heart of this bike is a 125cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that provides a balance between performance and efficiency. With refined fuel injection and smooth throttle response, it delivers a responsive riding experience, making it ideal for city commuting and weekend rides. The lightweight chassis and well-tuned suspension offer a comfortable and agile ride, allowing riders to maneuver through traffic or take on winding roads with confidence. Kawasaki has equipped the Ninja 125 with a 6-speed transmission, ensuring seamless gear shifts and optimal power delivery at different speeds. Braking performance is a key factor in any sport bike, and the Ninja 125 does not disappoint. It features a front pedal disc brake paired with a rear disc, providing strong stopping power. The inclusion of ABS enhances safety by preventing wheel lock-ups during sudden braking, ensuring control in various road conditions. The suspension system includes telescopic front forks and a rear monoshock, designed to absorb bumps and maintain stability. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable riding posture, striking a balance between sporty handling and daily usability. The digital instrument cluster provides clear and easy-to-read information, including speed, RPM, fuel level, and gear position. This modern display adds to the bike's premium feel, keeping the rider informed at a glance. The LED lighting setup enhances visibility while contributing to the bike's aggressive styling. The sharp LED headlight not only improves night riding but also gives the Ninja 125 a striking presence on the road. The taillight and indicators are also LED, ensuring longevity and energy efficiency. For those who appreciate customization, Kawasaki offers a range of accessories to personalize the Ninja 125. From tank pads to performance exhausts, riders can enhance the aesthetics and functionality of their bike to suit their preferences. The slim profile and well-designed seat ensure comfort for both the rider and passenger, making it a practical option for daily commuting as well as spirited weekend rides. Fuel efficiency is an important factor for riders looking for a cost-effective machine, and the Ninja 125 delivers impressive mileage. The efficient engine ensures lower fuel consumption without compromising on performance, making it an economical choice for young riders or those upgrading from a smaller displacement bike. The refined aerodynamics also contribute to its fuel efficiency, reducing drag and improving overall performance. The handling dynamics of the Ninja 125 are designed to provide a blend of stability and responsiveness. Whether carving through corners or navigating city streets, the bike remains planted and confidence-inspiring. The lightweight construction makes it easy to control, allowing new riders to develop their skills while enjoying an engaging ride. Kawasaki has engineered the frame to be both strong and lightweight, ensuring durability without adding unnecessary weight. With a variety of color options, the 2025 Ninja 125 allows riders to choose a style that matches their personality. Kawasaki's signature green is a popular choice, but other color schemes add diversity to the lineup, giving riders the freedom to express themselves through their bike. The overall fit and finish reflect Kawasaki's commitment to quality, with high-quality materials and attention to detail in every aspect of the motorcycle. As part of the Ninja family, this bike carries the legacy of Kawasaki's racing DNA. It may be an entry-level machine, but it embodies the spirit of the larger Ninja models, offering an exciting ride that introduces new riders to the world of sport bikes. The combination of sharp design, reliable performance, and advanced features makes the Ninja 125 a strong contender in the 125cc segment. If you are looking for a stylish, fuel-efficient, and performance-oriented sport bike with a strong brand heritage, the Kawasaki Ninja 125 is a fantastic choice. Whether you are a beginner or someone who enjoys lightweight sport bikes, this machine delivers a well-rounded experience. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest automobiles by subscribing to Auto Drive Hub. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the hottest bikes and cars in the industry.